Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Pouring with Pilar. If you're new, hello, I'm Pilar, this is my bar, and over here we express ourselves in the kitchen through making fun drinks. So we just finished up September, which we coined the month of immunities, and now we are finally, I'm so excited, we are finally able to start doing the fun seasonal drinks. October, November, December, it's gonna get crazy fun, at least for me. So it's the first week of October when I'm recording this, and well, it's the first week of October for all of us together. You see, in quarantine, time doesn't exist, so I've just elected to make the past 6 months October. So now we're just on the same page. So welcome to the party. Hello. And today we are kicking it off with the notorious Pumpkin Spice Latte. You've definitely heard of this drink. You either love it or you don't love it so much, but either way, I don't care because I'm making it today. I love them. They're delicious, they are rich, they somehow make 100-degree weather outside feel super cozy, and it's just great. It's a great fall drink, but at Starbucks, we always talk about Starbucks, don't we? At Starbucks, it ends up costing like $6 or $7 a pop, and I love these drinks way too much to be spending that kind of coin on one drink. So I really racked my brain on how to make the pumpkin spice latte at home for cheaper. So I wanted to make it cheaper, faster, way easier, but just as delicious. And the result ends up in a drink that is like mind-blowingly easy. So easy, you can follow along right now. So let's get started with our pumpkin spice latte. All you're gonna need is your chai tea. I'm using about 2 bags per serving. Your instant coffee, your pumpkin spice mix. This is a little bit hard to find, but if you can find it, it's worth it. Not only can you use it in this drink, but you can also use it in some of the recipes my mom is gonna be using this month. So this is what it looks like. And if you can't find it, I probably have it because I'm gonna be making a million of these this month. You're gonna use your pumpkin spice creamer. This is a little hard to find, but it is delish. No, I just said delish. You guys, I don't wanna be that food lady. And then to garnish, I have, this is so optional, chocolate sauce and whipped cream, and then I'm gonna be sprinkling a little bit of this guy on top. Now, let's get started. Are you ready to see how complicated and daunting this is? All right, so about 10 minutes ago, I put these 2 bags of chai tea in, and I let the water boil. So I'm gonna take that out. You ready? It's gonna get hard to follow along. You're gonna take a teaspoon of the instant coffee, drop that in there, and then that's that's it, you guys. That's pretty much it. You are just brewing instant coffee, but instead of using boiled water, you are using chai tea. And it works really well. I found that it makes the flavors complement each other rather than competing with each other. I'm also adding about half a tablespoon of the pumpkin spice just to give it a little bit more of a fall flavor. And I'm gonna mix all these dudes up together so that they can just sit here and play. Oh my God, it smells so good. PSA for our PSL. I love instant coffee, it's great, but I'm a dum-dum who did not read the instructions. So I've been drinking this whole time with a tablespoon of coffee. It turns out on the back it says a teaspoon of coffee. And I wondered why my anxiety was through the roof. So please read the back of your coffee before you start to make it. Now, while that's sitting around and all the ingredients are working together, I'm gonna decorate my cup. And because this drink is so easy, decorating the cup might be the hardest part. I work in a cafe where I have to decorate drinks and desserts and all this fun stuff, and so I've learned 3 tips that make using chocolate super easy. You're gonna want to, 1, be confident with your chocolate. 2, stay loose, be chill, be zen. And 3, move quickly. Because this chocolate, like I said, it's not a main component of the drink. It's just a garnish. So we don't want it to be a chocolate pumpkin chai. We just want a taste of this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and hold it upside down, so that way I can hold it like this. I'm gonna take my cup, ooh, chocolatey. I'm gonna take my cup, I'm gonna put it against my tummy, and then I'm just gonna rotate the cup while barely squeezing out the chocolate sauce. And I'm moving very, very quickly for this. So you can see over here that it's not a lot of chocolate, but it's starting to drip down and look really, I was about to say delish again. Somebody has to stop me. I need like Pavlov's bell. So I'm gonna just like make a loud noise whenever I start to say the word delish. So I'm gonna hand drop in my little ice cubes. I'm using reusable ice cubes today. I love these. As a barista, this is a game changer when shaking your drinks, because when you shake your drinks and you use regular ice, it definitely like waters it down and you can taste that difference. It's just not a good time. So I find that the reusable ice cubes are super helpful. All right, now I'm gonna start to pour. It's actually pretty cooled down by now. If it's not cooled down, you can either wait another half hour for it to cool naturally, or you can drop some more reusable ice cubes in here. I am lucky today, and I'm pouring it in. Now I'm gonna stop it right there because I still need room for my creamer and my whip. Now my pumpkin spice creamer, I got this for like $2, I think at Vons or something, and it should be pretty popular this season. There we go, not a ton. And now I'm gonna add my whip. I love adding the whip. It turns it from a coffee to like a coffee. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. One for you. One for me. Don't tell my mom I did that, because I'll get in trouble. I may be 22, but I can still get hit with a spoon. Okay, so same thing. Hold your chocolate super loose. I don't trust myself, so I'm gonna use a napkin underneath. Look at these. Can I get the camera over here? I'm in love. I'm in love. This is why it's been October for 6 months in my house. For things like this. Okay, hold your chocolate sauce. Move quickly. Oh my gosh. If it gets on the cup, that's okay. More for later. I'm gonna move you over here and sprinkle some of this guy on top. Can you see that okay? Can you see it? Does it look delicious? I don't think you can. Doesn't matter, it's mine. So good already. It's a little hard to drink because there's so much whipped cream, but it's good. Dare I say, better than Starbucks because it's made with love. Like I said, Starbucks, probably $6, $7 a cup. For all this, I would say maybe, I worked it out, I did the math for you. All of this is about $2 per cup, if any, maybe $1.50. So it's cheap, it's delicious, it's super easy to make, and if you are not subscribed already, guys, please do so. I worked really hard on some of these seasonal drinks that we have coming up, so you don't have to. They're gonna be fun. They're gonna be, like I keep saying, they're really, really easy, but I'm gonna show you how to garnish them so you look like a master barista. All right, guys, thank you so, so much. Stay safe and stay spooky. Bye!
Skiddly-doo-dee-doo-dow-ba-dee-dow-dee. Pouring with Pilar. She's a barista.